I get this question all the time. Can I lighten my partial? This person says they are a shade A3, but on their partial, but their teeth are now a shade A1, and they want to know if they can lighten the teeth on their partial. You cannot do that. So the manufactured tooth color that was there when you got that partial, that is the color of the tooth. Now, if you have staining on your denture or your partial, then you can use an over-the-counter denture cleaning product and soak that, scrub that, all of that, and it can take off the staining on that, but it is never going to change the color of the tooth from what it was manufactured as. And it doesn't matter if this is, a denture or a partial, a conventionally made denture or a 3D printed denture. These are man-made materials. They are not like our natural teeth. Our natural teeth are multi-layered. The wall of the tooth on our natural tooth has little tiny tubes, just like if you pictured a whole stack of straws. There's going to be little holes, little tubes all over that. So when you lighten your natural teeth, that is pulling the peroxide and those carbon monoxide solutions. Those are pulling out these discoloration, the particles in those tubules. So that is what's whitening. And that's why they always say, if you're going to do teeth whitening, you have to wait for a while before you drink coffee or tea or wine or anything like that, because those little tubes will suck that color right back into those little dentin tubules. So totally different for natural teeth than it is for denture teeth. Make sure you guys choose the right shade, because whatever that shade is that you choose, that's what it is, and you can't lighten it up. All right, hope that helps. Have a great night.